Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. GABI DEMartino here. First time, I believe, in this channel with a song called Immaculate. So, very easy song to play here. I believe it's just one strumming pattern we will use here for this entire song. And yeah, 5 chords. Capo here on the 1st fret, and let's start with the E minor. Let's go through the different chords here. So E minor will be played with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then B minor, you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Yeah. Next is C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, the A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So before we look at the chord progressions here, we will look at the strumming here. So grab an E minor, that will be the 1st chord, and you need to play like this. And that is one strumming pattern here. So that is one round. So down, clap, down, clap. So notice there's a short break after the 2nd and last down before the clap comes. Okay, so down, clap, okay. Pretty easy there. So now for the first verse we have the chord progression E minor, D, B minor, and C. Okay, so you will play that one round of the strumming for each chord, and you will play this chord progression for 2 rounds. Okay, so let's go with E minor, D, B minor, C. One strumming round for each chord. E minor, D, B minor, and C. Yeah, so that covers the first verse. And you know what? The pre-chorus will be played in the same way as this verse here. So nothing changes here. Same chords, same strumming, and also 2 rounds of this chord. So let's go just an extra round for the pre-chorus. E minor, D, B minor, and C. Yeah, so 2 rounds of that, and we know these chords by now. That takes us to the chorus. So in the lyrics, well, they all know they're not immaculate. So that is immaculate here in the lyrics. So we have still the same strumming here. So we will play, to start with, E minor 1 time, D 1 time, C 1 time, and A minor 1 time. So E minor, D, C, and A minor, you will play that for 2 rounds. So let's go through these 2 rounds first. So E minor, D, C, and A minor. And you do another round for that. E minor, D, C, and A minor. Okay. Then comes in the lyrics, my mistakes make me their villain. So you're gonna start with 1 E minor, then 1 D, then 1 C, and back to 1 D. Alright? So after these 2 rounds of E minor, D, C, and A minor comes this E minor, D, C, D. And then you're gonna play the last part here for this chorus. In the lyrics, well, you all know you're not immaculate. You're gonna play E minor, D, C. Okay, let's stop there. So 1 round for each chord again. Still, so E minor, D, C, and instead of the A minor that we had in the other two chord progression rounds in the beginning of this course, we just now play one down on the B minor. Okay, we can stop there. So just if we repeat everything here, I'm gonna play just one down for each chord, or actually I can actually play the full strumming here. I'm gonna take you through the course so far we learned. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so you just play, instead of A minor, you play the B minor. And for this part here is just downs, one down for each chord. And the chords will be, it starts with this B minor. Then you go to one down on E minor. Then you go to G. And then she sings Immaculate 2 times. So on the first time you play the C. And you end with the A minor. So after all this chord strumming here, you play the first down on the B minor, then comes the E minor, then G, then C, and then A. So if we start here from in the lyrics here, from this well, you all know you're not immaculate, and that is the E minor strumming, D strumming, and C strumming, and then we go into this B minor and all these chords with only one down. So let's start from the E minor now. So So that is how you handle and play the chords here. So tell me E minor and G, Immaculate, C, Immaculate, A minor. So yeah, that is the chorus. And then it goes on with the second verse here, played in the same way as the first, and the same goes with the pre-chorus, second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first pre-chorus. Then we have this next chorus here, and you will play, to begin with, one full round of this chorus that we just learned. But this second chorus is a bit, it's an extended part of the chorus here. So instead of just playing one down on these B minors, so from Tell Me, in the first chorus you played Tell Me, one down, and then comes the E minor and so on. This time you're gonna play strumming instead of just one down. So when you play this B minor, so Tell Me, you're gonna continue to play strumming with the E minor. And in the lyrics, in this second chorus, why you want me to be Immaculate, Immaculate, why you want me to be Immaculate, Immaculate. So she sings that 2 times. So you're gonna play, after the B minor, you're gonna play strumming for one round of E minor, one round of D, one round of C, and one round of B minor. So Tell Me, and then comes E minor, then D, C, and B minor. And this chord progression will play for 2 rounds. So again, E minor, D, C, and B minor. So that is the second chorus. So you play in the same way as the first chorus till you come to this B minor part, only one down, and then you play 2 rounds of E minor, D, C, and B minor. Yeah. Then after this chorus comes a middle play there that will be will not be covered here on this tutorial there, just a middle play there. And after that comes a bridge part. So the bridge part starts in the lyrics working for whatever I wanted. So now you will play with only downs here. It will play downs, 8 downs for E minor, 8 downs for G, 8 downs for C, and 8 downs for A minor. Okay, so it will be pretty fast with this downs here. And for this chord progression, E minor, G, C, and A minor, you will play that for 2 rounds, 8 downs for each chord. So like this, G, C, and A minor. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the bridge parts. Then comes another chorus part there, final chorus. You will play that in the same way as you played the other choruses until you come to this B minor part. All right. So this B minor part, 1 down, and then comes this Why You Want Me to Be again, Immaculate, Immaculate. This time you're gonna handle this part with 4 downs for following chords: E minor, G, C, and A minor. And you will do that for 2 rounds. So again, E minor, G, C, and final 4 downs for A minor. And that ends this cool song from GABI DEMartino called Immaculate. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if it was, please let me know. That gives me motivation to go on and give you some great stuff and for you to learn and play with. So yeah, thumb this up if you liked it, and even better, be a subscriber. Like I said before, we are aiming for 1,000 subscribers till 2022. So I believe that is reachable. With your help, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get that. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.